Your car's smart features might be the reason it won't last 100,000 miles. Start-stop systems, electronic shifters, touchscreens, sold as upgrades, built to fail early. If your car has any of these features, you're in the right place. Engineers designed for efficiency tests, not long-term ownership. The result? Systems that pass regulations but fail in real life. I used to think more features meant better cars. I was wrong. Start-stop alone kills starters, drains batteries, and starves engines of oil. If you want your car to last without expensive surprises, listen closely. Let's start with start-stop systems. Every red light, your engine shuts off. Light turns green, it fires back up. Sounds efficient until you count the cost. These systems rack up over 100,000 start cycles in normal driving. You probably ignored the rough restart because the car adapted. That constant cycling kills 3 parts. First, the starter motor. It wasn't built for that many starts. Second, the battery. Standard batteries can't handle it. You need expensive AGM batteries that cost twice as much. Third, oil pressure. When the engine stops, oil drains down. When it restarts, there's a brief moment with no oil pressure. That creates wear. The fuel savings? Maybe $80 a year. One dead battery wipes that out. Some Hondas stall in traffic. Fords refuse to restart on cold mornings. This wasn't built to help you. It was built to pass emissions tests. Here's what surprises most people about electronic gear shifters. They look sleek. Buttons, knobs, rotary dials. But they're confusing when you need them most. Fiat Chrysler recalled nearly 1 million vehicles after their shifters caused rollaways and deaths. You'd think a gear lever would just move, but now you tap a button and pray. You probably assume the car's in park because you pressed something. There's no mechanical linkage, just sensors and software. Spill coffee on it, weak battery, blown fuse, you're stuck. 1 second too late and your car lurches into traffic or doesn't move at all. Now, dual clutch transmissions. They were built for racetracks. Lightning-fast shifts, no clutch pedal, perfect for sports cars. In everyday cars, they're a disaster. Ford's PowerShift DCT was such a problem they got sued. Hyundai and Kia dealt with endless complaints. These gearboxes jerk at low speeds, hesitate in traffic, slip during parking. Try backing up a hill. Good luck. When they fail, you're not replacing a clutch. You're replacing mechatronics, sensors, and software. Repair costs between $2,000 and $4,000. For daily driving, a simple automatic still wins. Here's what actually matters with touchscreen climate controls. Remember when you could twist a knob without looking? Now you're poking at a screen menu while doing 70 on the highway. Need defrost? That's 3 taps deep if you can find it. When the screen freezes, and they do, you lose AC, heat, defrost, everything. One cracked display means no climate control until the dealer opens. You probably thought this was just annoying until your windshield fogged and the screen wouldn't respond. It's not just inconvenient, it's unsafe. Visibility matters. Old knobs worked in gloves, in the dark, at speed. Some automakers like VW and Mazda are already ditching touchscreens in newer models. They figured it out. Electronic parking brakes. You used to pull a lever. You felt it click. You knew it worked. Now it's a button. Push to engage, push to release, until it doesn't. These systems use tiny motors in your rear calipers. When those motors fail or your battery dips, you're not going anywhere. Winter salt, worn wiring, one glitchy module locks your wheels in place. You can't jiggle it loose like a cable brake. You call a tow truck, then a dealer, then your bank. Some owners get hit with $1,500 repairs just to roll out of a parking spot. I've seen 3 of these features fail before 80,000 miles this year. Drop a comment if one of these has cost you money. What was the repair bill?
This is where expensive problems hide. Direct injection engines spray fuel straight into the combustion chamber. More power, better fuel economy, but they skip the intake valves. With old port injection, fuel washed the valves clean. With direct injection, carbon builds up fast. Thick, sticky gunk that clogs airflow, causes misfires, rough idle, loss of power. You can't pour in a cleaner and fix it. The fix is walnut blasting. Shops shoot crushed shells into your engine to scrape the buildup off. Cost $400 to $900. BMW, Audi, VW, Mazda, they're all hit hard. You're probably hoping it'll clean itself or go away. It won't. Cylinder deactivation. On paper, it's smart. Shut down cylinders while cruising to save fuel. In real life, it's a mechanical mess. GM's AFM and Chrysler's MDS systems are infamous. They deactivate cylinders mid-drive, then fire them back up. That constant on-off causes uneven wear. Lifters fail, valves collapse, misfires show up. Then the engine seizes. I've seen trucks with less than 60,000 miles and lifters already destroyed. I ignored one of these warnings myself. Cost me $1,200. One failure can total the motor. What's the real savings? Maybe a few bucks at the pump, but one bad tick and you're staring down a $4,000 engine rebuild.
So here's what you need to know. These features aren't going away, but you can protect yourself. Ask about them before you buy. Some you can disable. Start-stop systems often have an off button. Use it every time you start the car. Memory modules exist that disable it permanently. Avoid dual-clutch transmissions in stop-and-go traffic. Stick with traditional automatics or manuals for reliability. Check if climate controls have physical backups. Some cars still offer manual HVAC alongside touchscreens. For direct injection, budget for carbon cleaning every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. For cylinder deactivation, listen for ticking noises. That's your early warning. If you'd rather catch problems early than pay for them later, this is your channel. Stay aware, drive safe.